Good morning, children. In this class, we will again learn about the physical and chemical changes. In my last class, I have explained you that there are mainly 6 types of changes that is occurring in our day-to-day life. We can feel it. First is natural and man-made changes, slow change, fast change, periodic and non-periodic change, desirable, undesirable change, reversible, irreversible change, physical and chemical change. In this class, we will study it about in detail. What are periodic change? Changes which are repeated after a regular interval of time are called periodic change. For example, sunrise, sunset, motion of a pendulum of a clock, beating of drum, beating of our heartbeat, normal person heartbeat, rotation and revolution of earth, etc. Whereas the change which repeats itself at a irregular interval of time are called non-periodic change. For example, eruption of volcano, growing of a baby into an adult, growth of a plant, earthquake, etc. You can see pictures also. What are natural and man-made change? Natural change is done by nature, whereas man-made change is done by man. Growth of man and plants and changing in season are the example of natural change, whereas burning of fuels, chemical petrol and all, conversion of iron to steel are some example of man-made change. Now, what is slow change and fast change? Some changes occur in hours, days, months, or even years. Such changes which occur in a long duration of time are called slow changes. For example, yellowing of leaves, rusting of iron, etc. Whereas some changes which occur in a few seconds or minutes quickly are called fast change. For example, lightning a matchstick, explosion of a cracker, etc. Now, what is desirable and undesirable change? As you all know, children, changes that are useful to us, that we want, are called desirable change. For example, cooking of food, ripening of fruit, making of food by green plants, by photosynthesis, all are desirable change. Whereas changes that are harmful to us, that give bad result, are called undesirable change. Volcanic eruption, floods, rotting of vegetables, fruits, earthquake, souring of milk, spoilage of food, rusting of iron are some undesirable change. Children, in this slide, you can see few examples of reversible change and irreversible change. In first and second picture is the example of reversible change, where we can, when we change, we can easily change the physical state. Whereas third, fourth and fifth is the example of irreversible change. Once the iron nail got rusted, we will not convert it into it will not get reversed back into a new one. Same as when we burn the log of a wood, it will convert into ash. We cannot reverse it back. But the last example is melting of ice. When we burn a candle, what will happen? It will melt the wax, that is a physical change, but when we burn it, it will release smoke also, heat also. So it is a chemical change also, because one property of chemical change is that it release heat, large amount of heat. Now, by definition, reversible change is a change which can be undone or reversed. It is a temporary change. Whereas a change which cannot be undone or reversed is called an irreversible change. And remember always, irreversible change is a permanent change. Mixing, baking, heating and burning of a substance are some example of irreversible change, whereas dissolving, melting, folding of a substance are some example of reversible change. 4 examples are given in this slide. You can read, you can see. Thank you so much.